We've been using Zoho since about 3 years now. We're here basically to learn more about Zoho network, understand how Zoho can make our lives better, understand more about marketing automation. So as we speak, the sales team with one of your account managers, we've got a huge database to work around. So we're trying to understand how to use it better. We attended the seminar, and marketing guy, he was like invaluable. He gave a lot of good tips. We learned a lot about IoTs. We've booked a couple of one-to-one sessions, and we're looking to get insights.
The thinking behind having a booth is that we would like actually to be closer to our partners. Zoholics is a great meeting point for all Zoho partners and customers in order to exchange ideas, share best practices, and see how Zoho can be implemented further to amplify the capabilities of our companies.
We were at the Zoholics in 2023 as well. The last time around, the event was great. We are hoping to meet some of our existing customers, hoping to find some, build some new relationships as well. Whether you are a partner or somebody who's new to Zoho, Zoholics is definitely one event to come to. Talk to co-customers, learn about their journeys, and then meet people like us who can help you out with your Zoho services as well. We are indeed sponsoring the BI Visionary Award first time around, so we are really excited about that.
Decided to come along today as a long-time Zoho customer. This afternoon we're going to focus on AI-related sessions, just to understand the new capabilities of the Zia functionality that Zoho have announced today. The general experience today has been really welcoming, really supported by the staff. The food's been delicious and just really welcoming in general, I'd say.
First time I've been attending Zoholics. The experience was just great. It was also fun. There was a lot of examples they had in the presentations which made it like more elaborative and more interactive. Need to implement all the things which I learned into my company and then make a good progress, and definitely we'll be doing wonders ahead.
We started with Zoho many years ago. Stands out there quite useful for us because you can have interactions directly with the various people. I think there's so much happening within the technology sector, and we're not from that sector. You know, we are a end user. Learn how we can incorporate things like AI and how Zoho can help us streamline some of the tasks that we're doing manually. One thing I'm confident with Zoho is they keep on sort of evolving, and it's not just the enterprise customers or the larger customers. You can benefit from these huge companies that are using Zoho as a small business, and you can piggyback some of their ideas that they've got.
If I had to describe Zoholics in 3 words, I would probably say supportive, innovative, and intriguing.
Innovation, creativity, and productivity.
Something that we look forward to. I know not 3 words, but yeah.
If I could sum up Zoholics in a sentence, that would be making our lives easier.